I'm going to show you how you can move a user form from one workbook to another. For a client recently, I completed this this workbook, and what he does is he can gather up parts, and then when he has the list complete, then he selects the complete button, and then you pop up a user form which is saying details of the invoice and the customer number, or the customer name would be entered here. So I'm going to cancel this. Now, what he would like to do is he would like to have all this functionality on another sheet as well. And so I have created another sheet, and it's called New User Format, and it's formatted in a XLSM format for a macro-enabled workbook. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to go and I'm going to right click. The first sheet he would like is the scan sheet. So I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to go move or copy. And now, because I have the two of them open, we have from move user form, that's the file that I'm on, and so I'm going to select new form. So that's the one, and I would like to create a copy of the sheet that I've done, and so I'm going to go OK, and that works fine. And so now here we have our form on the other sheet. Now, the nice thing about copying the page, if you right click here, you have the code that has come along with the worksheet already installed here. But there's one thing that it's not. If you right click on here, it doesn't have a macro assigned to it. And so the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Developer tab, and I'm going to go to Visual Basic, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a module here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the previous sheet, the Move User Forms, and I'm going to double click it to open it up, and I'm going to go Control A to select it all, and then I'm going to go Control C, and then I'm going to go to my new module that I've just put in here, and I'm going to go Control V. So now we have the Show User Form. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select the second sheet from the original workbook, and the second sheet is the outgoing sheet. Now, same thing is I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to go move or copy, and then I'm going to select to the new form, and then I am going to create a copy, and I'm going to say OK. Okay, now we have a user form here that we would like to come up on both of our sheets. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to the Developer Visual Basic, and we have a user form 1. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this as a file. And so export as a file, and I'm just going to put it on my desktop, and that's going to be user form 1, and say save. Now I'm going to right click on my other file here, and I'm going to import file, and I'm going to import file, and I'm going to get the user form 1. And so if I click under forms here, I have user form 1. So let's look at the sheet names here. So sheet 1 is scan, which works out perfectly, and sheet 4 is outgoing, which works out perfectly. Now, if they were different, what you'd have to do is you would go to the user form, and you would double click on the code here, and you would have to change. So we're going from the scan sheet to the outgoing sheet, and that works out perfectly. But if they were different numbers, you would have to change the sheet 1 to whatever number corresponds to the way it is. And so now what we're going to do is I'm going to close both worksheets. I'm going to close and save both worksheets, and then what we'll do is we'll open this up again and see how it works. When I open up my new form again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my data tab, and I'm going to go connections. Now I don't want this connected to my move user form, and so I'm going to break all. And then it asks you really want to do this, and I say yes, I really don't. I don't want it creating anything on my other sheet. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go. Now the same thing is that with the complete button here, it's no longer attached to the macro, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this, and I'm going to assign a macro, and I'm going to show form. Now I'll say OK. Okay, so let's click away, and then let's click on complete. And there's my user form coming up, and so I just say all products shipped, and I'll put my company down there, BHC, and then we're going to go complete. And there you go, the outgoing is now on this sheet, and the scan sheet is clear. So that's how you use how you move user forms from one sheet to another. Please subscribe.